Hello friends. Today I tell you what is mean by saving. Saving are the surplus of income over the expenditure. Income, money earned from various sources like a salary, wages, etc. And expenditure means money spent on various items which include essential and non-essential. People usually meet their short term goals with a saving money in saving account of a bank earn a small amount of interest and it is easy to withdraw it whatever needed. Saving is the process of setting aside money or resources for future use rather than spending it immediately. It typically involves placing money in a secure place like a bank account where it can accumulate over time. The purpose of the saving can be used for emergency, large purchase investment, or future finance, just like a retirement and education. The method of the saving can be stored in a saving account, fixed deposit, or even a physical form like a cash or assets. And the benefit of the saving is provides a physical security and a stability, help in achieving long-term goals, reduce the need for borrowing, and generate the interest or a return if placed in interest bearing account. Thank you.